This is Cakes with Lorelai, but I don't have a cake this week.
What?
I have meatballs.
You should get surgery. So you don't have a cake, but what do you have?
Beaver spaghetti and meatballs.
Okay, I've had it. It's amazing.
Yeah. The whole family has been trying to get the recipe for 40 years, and now she finally gives up and gives it to me. And she said she was kidding that whole time.
Will she let you film it?
I know, she let me film it.
So, Biba, I present to you World's Greatest Spaghetti Trophy. Now, that may look like one of my running trophies. It is not. This is a guy who just found out your spaghetti sauce is ready, and he's running to the spaghetti sauce.
Wow.
Congratulations. I salute you.
Everybody's gonna have Biba's recipe now.
World famous.
Yeah, world famous.
You're going viral.
Okay, yeah,
Okay.
viral.
Better wear.
Yeah, help us go viral.
You better go viral. Better wear a mask.
Imagine that, my cakes never go viral, but her
It will.
spaghetti?
It's her spaghetti.
Oh
Yeah,
my god.
yeah.
Okay, so my mom is 93. Just all right, and my dad's 91. We love you guys.
Love you.
Because we know they're gonna watch this. Biba's spaghetti and meatballs. So olive oil goes in. Oh, you use the good stuff. More oil. Oh, there's our gardener. Have a sink full of hot soapy water to wash your hands.
Just have the heat on, like medium Parmesan cheese and breadcrumbs. A little at a time till you get a consistency that's not ready yet to be made into a meatball.
Oh, good tip.
Plain breadcrumbs. You just do this by ear more or less, and then a little bit at a time. I've never made a bad meatball yet.
Wow.
So I have to be careful.
The sausage is,
Sweet
you just want to
sausage,
lightly
yeah.
cook it.
Italian.
Okay.
Don't take too much. You don't want to make them too big. Just roll them. Yeah, roll them. Yeah.
How's that? Is that too big? So I want it to look like
I'm
that.
always trying this out to see.
Mine's not as good.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah.
All right. Let me just wash
Good job.
Let me wash my
Do
hands.
your hands again.
So is mine as good as yours?
Yeah. It's a little bigger.
I know, it's a little bigger. Meatballs are ready.
Crushed tomatoes.
Sauce.
Garlic is brown. One can altogether.
So that's different. No tomato paste. Who taught you this recipe? Do you know?
I don't know. I think in Charlotte years ago. I got that now. I put the sausage in there. Medium.
Medium.
I would say 2 good-sized carrots like this.
It's a good thing I didn't give them to the horses.
You shred the meatball, shredding the carrots. Alan taught me how to do this.
You did?
Yeah, the carrots takes takes the bitterness out of the
Yes.
sauce.
So that's, you just want to lightly brown?
Just slightly, yeah. Then turn them over. So that's why you cook them slowly.
The sauce is looking good. You want some meatballs? Where are you going? Not before. So you're putting water in the oil.
Yeah.
Okay, about a quarter cup.
About a quarter, yeah, probably.
Or half a cup maybe?
Half a cup.
Okay.
Pour it in the sauce.
Another little trick.
Yeah.
I would not have thought of that. Pile of carrots.
So one large one is enough.
Okay, one
Yeah.
large carrot. And that takes the bitterness out of the
Yeah,
sauce.
takes the bitterness.
And healthy addition.
Teaspoon?
Is that a teaspoon or is it a tablespoon?
Tablespoon, yeah.
Parsley.
Grated cheese. Italian.
It's going to go on YouTube.
Italian
Yep.
seasoning.
Well, if mom says it's okay, Italian seasoning, okay. Just dump it right in there. No measuring here.
You know, I don't
That's how I
really
cook.
measure, just, you know, shake it in there.
That's how I cook. Then you taste it and you
Yeah,
you can
yeah,
have it.
right, so.
But on YouTube, they want to know exact amounts.
I know, that's it. Well, how little cups all measured, it's nice to do
Yeah.
that way, you know?
No, I like this old-fashioned way of cooking.
Bay leaf,
Oh, bay leaf. Bay leaf.
one bay leaf. Couple shakes of salt.
Salt. Okay.
And then let it cook on, you know, medium or low, just simmer or cook slowly for
Hours.
for hours. I mean, you know, stir and checking, and you can cover it, but if you cover it boils. I don't like to have it boil, so. This weird woman here is following me all over the place.
Dinner is ready. All right, let's have a little taste test. The meatball just literally melts in your
Yeah.
mouth. This might be the best meatball you've ever made.
You think so?
Yeah. So this is for you, Bob.
Oh.